Super pumped about this recipe. It's Shrimp Creole. It's a great recipe. When it comes to gumbos and creoles, that's my thing. We're also doing it with the Chantilly 23, which is just such a great match for it. I got my bell peppers, onions, garlic, and celery, and let's get this going. All right, we're just gonna melt our butter a little bit before we put our vegetables in there to soften. Onions, bells, celery, garlic. Great, we got all our vegetables in the pan, slowly softening them up. Just one tip, whenever in the kitchen, whenever you're seasoning something, season every step of the way. If we're softening the vegetables, season it. If we're cooking the shrimp, season it. Just doesn't matter. At the end of every recipe, and if you're just seasoning correctly like that, it comes out so much better. The vegetables have been cooking for about 7 to 10 minutes. They're cooked down a little bit. They have a little bit of color in them. They're nice and soft. I have the tomato, the Worcestershire, and the Creole seasoning, and the bay leaves right here. Let's get them in the pot. Worcestershire, Herbie's Creole seasoning. Can't have Southern cooking without bay leaves. Give it a stir. So that we have everything in the pot, the bay leaves, the tomatoes, the Worcestershire, the Creole seasoning. We're gonna go ahead and cook this down for another 5 minutes. And of course, season it again. I have these beautiful Pacific white-laid shrimp, 1 pound of them. We're gonna toss them in and cook them just until they turn pink. Get them in the sauce, flip them around a little bit, and just let them go on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes until they turn pink. It's coming together nicely. That smells amazing. So here I'm going to be finishing it with a little bit of just fresh Italian flat leaf parsley and some Louisiana hot sauce just to give it a little acidy kick. Let's turn it off the heat. Fold in the hot sauce and parsley. Smells yummy. Everything looks so good. So what I did today was I made some beautiful red beans and rice. At home, you can do it over pasta or steamed rice, whatever you choose. This recipe is great over anything. So let's go ahead and get it plated. Smells great. So I'm going to garnish it with a little bit more parsley, but if you always wanted more of a kick or anything like that, you can do some more Louisiana hot sauce or some scallions or something like that.